hover over the city and slip into the velvet glove of night. I hover over the city and slip into the velvet glove of night. I hover over the city and slip into the velvet glove of night. I hover over the city and slip into the velvet glove of night. I hover over the city and slip into the velvet glove of night. And slip into the velvet glove of night. Being happy to hear your voice confused me. In those seconds hovered sunny days and nights when I could sing to you. I still hear happiness in my ears, between your voice and sending me to you, while remembering there's something I must do. Kill this happiness, 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 kill this happiness. There's a pause, an opening. I hold back and you ask. There's a pause, an opening. And it's done. I know. I hear the sound of the sliding door. It's done. I know. I hear the sound of the sliding door. The bird of happiness falls away from the earth. Bird of happiness falls away from the earth. The bird of happiness falls away from the earth. Bird of happiness falls away from the earth. The tree grows down as well as up. It's feeding me. I need to feel you, all my dears, among the leaves. The birds, they sing this strange blue song, a minor key. The purple sky, the deep brown earth, protecting me. It speaks to me and tells me secrets if I only could not stop my ears to hear. The tree grows down as well as up. It breathes through me and whispers that I'm still allowed to dream. The tree grows down as well as up, harnessing me. Shows me that what I see with my inner eye is real. Circles of time. Circles of time, circles of time. Circles of time, circles of time, circles of time. Circles of time, growing up around. Circles of time, circles of time, circles of time. Circles of time, growing up around. Circles of time, circles of time, circles of be the one you were born to be. Be the one you were born to be. Be the one you were born to be. Lightning all around the tree. The interfering birds have left. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Only the ones who hear the song are drawn to the tree. Thank you. Please give a big hand for my amazing musicians. Leandro Rodrigues on percussion. Sian Hender cello. Nila Raja vocals. Big hand for Chan who did the makeup. Thank you all. Have a really great night.